Hello there, it's Liz here. I thought I'd pop on today and do a show and tell about my progress in my Alice in Wonderland altered book. I've made a start on 6 of the pages, and yeah, so I'll just wire in and let you see what I've done so far. So I've just left the first, this is the original page from the altered book. I'm not sure whether I'm going to work on the altered book pages yet, so I just skipped over that one just now and made a start on this page. The background was already some music paper, so I've added a few bits of the Alice in Wonderland book, some book pages. I've added a pocket from some Alice paper and a few little bits of embellishment and a little bit of lace. This is from the Stamperia Alice in Wonderland paper pad. So it's some journaling space on the back, and I've added a little charm with on a little bit of ribbon. So that just pops in there, and I just cut out a little notch with my circle punch. The next page is just like a collage page. It was already, what was that already? I think it was just a bit of plain. It was the back of the music paper, which was just plain. So again, some pieces from the Alice in Wonderland 12 by 12. This came from a little set of cards, Alice in Wonderland cards. I'm not sure what the name of those cards were, but they came in a little tin. A sticker and some fabric flowers, which I've carried over to this page here, which is a brown paper bag, similar to the way the brown paper bag has been put in here. So this is how this page here started out, and all I did was I opened a folded back to make the pocket of the brown paper bag. You can see a little bit of the brown paper bag at the edge there, and then decorated it with some book pages. I die cut a piece of ephemera, and this is one of the postcards that I decorated. I have a video on how I decorated that. I've got a step-by-step on this postcard, so if you're interested, that will be further down in the videos. And the back of that is just another piece of collage. And I stitched around this piece of paper before I stuck it down, a doily and some rice paper butterfly and a sticker, just to finish the back of that one off. So that's another book page which hasn't been touched yet. And then this is another pocket. This is just on scrapbook paper, this page. So a couple of torn pieces, some embellishments stitched around the edge, and this is another of the postcards that I did, decorated, and there's a video showing you how I did that. So that just nicely slides in there with the little leaves and flowers overlapping. And the back of that is another one from the tin that this came from, and it was already was cut like that. So I've just made a little used some of the paper from the Stamperia, decorated it with a strip of the other paper just stuck at the edges, a key and a rabbit, and another place for journaling, and that just slides in like that and hooks into that like that. So that's what I've done so far. I'm pretty pleased with how it's coming along, and this is the first time I've decorated a journal like this, so I'm quite enjoying it. But what I plan to do is the next time I decide to decorate 1 or 2 pages, I will bring you along and show you how I go about decorating the next few pages. I might not still work in order. So far I've done them in order, but I might jump about now, and because I don't have all that much Alice stash, so much like here I might use different stash to decorate the pages. So I don't want all my Alice stash at the beginning and then all the odds and sods at the back. So I might jump about to another signature to decorate with my Alice stash. We'll see. I think I probably will. So anyway, that's it. That's me up to date. And yeah, so thanks for looking at that, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.